buttons. To create buttons in HTML, we use the button tags below. So here I'm going to create button for a website page. So we have the home button. So I'll create another button. So I'm gonna search for the tag as button. So I'm going to create a contact us button. Then I'll just add one more, make it 3. So let me add a third button. Okay, no, sorry about that. So let me add a third button. About us. So I'm going to open this up on the website for you to see. So when I open it on the browser, so you can see that. So that's how you create buttons in HTML. So tell me what tag you want to learn in the comment below. Thank you for watching.